finally, thank God, it's Friday and it's now 5:44 in the afternoon, and me and Ken are just running some errands before heading home. And right now, nasa sasakyan ako, hinihintay ko si Ken kasi may binili lang siya sandali, and while I'm waiting for him, quick life update lang tayo kasi I haven't really uploaded any video for the past 2-3 months, I think. And sorry naman kasi na-busy lang talaga. And for one, nag-change jobs kasi ako. So I quit my job, yung first job ko dito sa US nag-quit ako April 2025, and nagkaroon ng 2 months na gap, I think, kasi nag-apply, tapos interview, and umuwi rin kasi kami ng Philippines for a 2-week vacation, and hindi ako nag-vlog at all. It was intentional kasi we would just like to enjoy our time with the family and friends, and you know, our vacation really went by so fast, and before we know it, pauwi na kami. Sobrang bilis lang kasi talaga ng panahon, and sinulit lang namin yung time and enjoy namin yung company ng isa't isa. So ayun, and thank God for the opportunity naman na makauwi at mabisita yung mga mahal sa buhay, diba? So right now, I'm actually over a month into my new job, and I'm just happy sa kung ano man yung ginagawa ko ngayon, and I feel like there's so much room for growth. And siguro yun yung advice na ibibigay ko sa inyo kung nandito man kayo sa US or kung saan man kayo, na kung maaari, kung pwede na kung tingin nyo ay you have more, you're capable to do more, then don't settle for less. O diba? Life, andito na si Ken. Hi!
Basta ka?
Doing well. I'm just giving them a life update. So, ayun, yun yung bold move na ginawa ko this year, na nag-change ng trabaho kasi medyo mahirap din maghanap, lalo na pag yung gusto mong work talaga. But para kasi sa akin, hindi ako gusto ko kasi talaga na mas stable, and yung may so much, yung may opportunities for growth. So hindi ako nagsettle, and hinintay ko kahit maging jobless ako ng 2 months, okay lang, basta kung ano man yung happy ako sa decision namin na mag-quit dun sa first na trabaho ko, kasi masaya ako sa kung saan man ako ngayon, and I think na it's gonna be a really great opportunity. So ayun, and yun lang yun. Hi guys, we're now at Chili's for lunch. So it's now Sunday. As here. It's okay. Hey, we're having skillet cookie for dessert. Ooh.